Your new cod obsession. Coated in an addictive kabayaki glaze. Japanese glazed cod bowl. ただのかば焼き丼。90g of short grain rice. Rinse the rice and drain. Add 120g of water to the rinsed rice. Add a half tablespoon of sake for tastier rice. Mix well, then cook the rice. Lightly sprinkle salt over 200g of cod. Lightly sprinkle salt on the other side and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, make the kabayaki sauce. 2 tablespoons of mirin, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix well. Pat dry the moisture from the cod with a paper towel. Two teaspoons of potato starch or flour. Lightly coat both sides of the cod. Medium heat. 1 teaspoon of cooking oil in a well-heated pan. Sear the coated cod for 2 to 3 minutes until brown. I used fresh cod this time, but store-bought frozen fish works just fine. Treat the over and steam fry on low heat for about 5 minutes. Add the pre-made sauce. Thicken the sauce while coating the cod. Stir with a kitchen torch if you have one. Place the cooked cod on the bowl of rice. Pour the sauce over it. Sprinkle 山椒 pepper on top. 今日の料理はただのかば焼き丼でした。Enjoy! Also, I've released some new merch that ships internationally. Please check out the link on the screen.